Hello everyone. I just want to share how I saw Jesus in the other vision. Well, I kind of saw Jesus Christ a couple of times in my visions and in my dreams also. But one of the vision that I was like when the time that I'm about to upload the video, because I'm about to upload the video and I pray, and he kind of said like in my thought, okay, go go go. Then he let me see him in the throne where there are men, but the men were like small. And even I was like scrolling right now, and as I look at this, I was like knowing Isaiah the prophet. And then as I'm like listening, and I saw like, hey, wait a minute, this is how I saw Lord Jesus Christ, like in my vision. Like he let me see him before I upload the video, and he said like, go ahead, share it to my children. And even the prophet Isaiah, like this, that he saw Lord Jesus. And look at look at how I picture it out in my vision there, that the Lord's face I couldn't see, but he's so big and he's sitting in his throne, and the people were so small. This is exactly what I saw. And the prophet Isaiah, I guess see the same. I mean, he saw the Lord, and then I able to see the same image that the Lord showed to me. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's like a coincidence, but it's so beautiful knowing that it's how exactly how I saw when the Lord show up. He let me see him in a throne, but he's so big and the people were small. And God is really good. All I can say.